Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking prerequisites. Know each confidant's available days and required stats. Raise knowledge, charm, guts early so you can choose dialogue options that advance links. Once done, schedule weekly routines. Make time for weekday afternoons, evenings, and weekends. Use mementos and palace runs for social stats boosts and gifts. These are fast, repeatable actions. Don't waste an entire day on low-value activities. Prioritize events that guarantee rank increases. This sets a pacing baseline so you can chain confidant ranks smoothly. Now focus on execution. You need consistent weekly momentum. Plan to stack actions, study in the afternoon for knowledge, visit a confidant at night, and take a full-day outing on weekends to gain 2 benefits. Make sure to use meals, books, and bath items that provide small but cumulative boosts. These let you meet high-level dialogue checks without wasting time. When choosing mementos requests, pick those that grant stats or items you lack. This targeted efficiency keeps multiple confidants progressing simultaneously. To finish strong, prioritize confidants with imminent story locks and required ranks. Do these first so you don't hit irreversible deadlines. Once done, use remaining days to max leftover links. Save slots near major story beats are precious. If you find a confidant locked out, don't panic. Evaluate whether you can catch up by farming mementos, reallocating leisure time, or using item boosts. As a last resort, consider a new game plus or reload a prior save, because prevention is easier than retroactive fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.